Hello everyone, welcome back to the studio. Thanks for joining in on this Sunday. Today I'm going to be doing a pour that I've never done before. I see a lot of videos from Molly with Molly's Artistry. She does this. My friend Mark J. Radcliffe, he does it on his channel as well. I am going to be doing a pour where I swipe through with my Australian Floetrol cell activator. And I'm going to do something a little different though. I am going to do some ring pours onto the canvas, and then I'm going to swipe through them with the Australian Floetrol. Then I will tilt them out. So like I said, I've never done this. I've watched their videos. I enjoy watching them, and I thought I'm just going to throw caution to the wind and try it without even practicing. So let's see what happens. Let's get down on the canvas and let's start painting. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a 15 by 30 gallery wrap canvas. I haven't worked on a canvas this size in a long time, so it's gonna be fun. As I said, I'm playing with a new technique for myself. I'm going to be doing a couple of ring pours on here, and then I'm going to swipe through with Australian Floetrol and black. So real quick, we'll talk about these colors. I am using recycled colors from another pour. So this paint here is DecoArt in the emerald green mixed with deep sapphire. Kind of like the mysterious color, but I kept it more green than blue. I am using DecoArt in the sapphire. I got titanium white from Amsterdam. And I'm using Fire Opal from Folk Art. Gonna do 2 ring pours. All right, so for this size canvas, I'm gonna need 16 ounces of paint. So I've got 2 16-ounce cups, and I'm only gonna fill them up to about 10 ounces of paint. Let's do some Fire Opal here. And again, I'm just gonna do 2 ring pours. My pouring medium today is Liquitex Gloss Medium Floetrol with a little bit of water. White. Blue and green. All right, that's 1 cup. And this one, let's do a little different. Let's do some blue in the bottom. Drizzle some white. A lot of green there. All right, let's put the first one like right about here. And pour into a little bit of white. We're gonna do a ring pour. Right. A little white there. Let's do the second. Because this one got so wonky, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to meld them together by wrecking them, and then I'll swipe. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my black cell activator and I am just going to squirt it onto the back of my palette knife here, and then I'm going to just lightly go through this, making a few waves, and then we'll tilt it out. What I'm doing is I'm just dripping it back into a cup. We'll start here on the edge and just lightly press into the paint. I don't have much of the white, but I think I'm going to try one with white. I'll go this way. All right. Go here. Okay, so we'll leave that be. I'm gonna pour a little white around the edge so we've got some flow here. All right. What I want to do, I'm going to come down this way. All right, I'll live with that. For a first time, not bad. A lot of green, but I see the blue, I see the green. The Fire Opal actually turned a little pink, and I think that's obviously because of the white, but I'm okay with that. All right, here we are with the wet result. You know, for a first time trying this, not bad. I definitely see some improvements where I could change some things, but overall, I like the piece. I love the cells. They got a little stretched out because I tried to move it further down the canvas, but I'm okay with that. So let's bring you in here. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. All right, you guys, here it is dry. It's a little dark outside today, cloudy, overcast. So let me bring you in here. I'll let you see it up close. All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. I am very impressed with this type of technique. I haven't really decided orientation-wise which way it's going to go. But overall, I love this. I like the cell coloring that really came through. I had to stretch the top portion down because the colors didn't quite seem to get down here towards the bottom when I did my swipe. So that's, you know, trial and error. I'm learning as I go. But I really, really like the outcome of it. So I'm definitely going to play with this technique. But I like the idea of doing maybe ring pours and then wrecking them and using the swipe colors. So I like this a lot. Only thing I would probably change maybe is make some, instead of such a darker color for the base, you know, that there's a lot of green in this. Maybe something a little brighter. Bring some more color and brightness to the piece. So, but I'll put some gloss varnish on this, and that's going to make everything really pop. So that'll bring those colors back to life. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on Wednesday. Everyone have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Bye-bye now.